I'm Judge Lee Bantol from BSHM 3A, Chapter 4, Law on Partnership and Corporation. Choosing the right business structure. This presentation provides a simplified overview of Philippine partnership and corporation law based on provided legal documents. It highlights key differences to aid in business structure selection, professional legal counsel, and crucial for specific situations. Partnerships. Understanding the basics. Defined by the Civil Code of the Philippines as an agreement between two or more persons to contribute money, property, or industry to a common fund with the intention of dividing the profits among themselves. K types, general and limited partnerships. Governed by the Articles 1767 to 1869 of the Civil Code. General partnerships, unlimited liability. All partners share in profits and losses proportionally. Each partner has unlimited personal liability for partnership debts. Limited partnership, the opposite of the general. Limited partnerships, balancing risk and reward. Two types of partners. The first one is the general, which I have been tackled not long after. Unlimited partnership. Limited partners' liability is restricted to their capital contribution. General partners manage the business. Limited partners typically have no management authority. Legal framework for partners. Article of Partners, a written agreement outlining contributions, profit, loss sharing, management responsibility, and dissolution procedures. Dissolution procedures for winding up the partnership, settling debts, and contributing assets and distributing assets. Corporation, a separate legal entity. A corporation is a separate legal entity from its shareholders, governed by the Corporation Code of the Philippines. Shareholders have limited, generally restricted to their investment. More complex structure and regulatory requirements than partnerships. Exploring the different corporate structure. The first one is stock corporation. Issue share of star of issue shares of stock, profits distributed to shareholders. Non-stock corporation do not issue shares, profits, and reinvested. Establishing and managing a corporation. Articles of incorporation, a formal document outlining the corporation's name, purpose, registered office, authorized capital, stock, and directors. Corporate governance, board of directors, officers like president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, meetings, and decision-making processes. The process of corporate dissolution. Methods of dissolution, voluntary and involuntary, etc. Winding up procedures, settling debts, liquidating assets, distributing remaining funds to shareholders. Legal requirements and procedures for dissolution. Partnership versus corporations. Partnerships are simpler to form, offer shared management, pass-through taxation, unlimited capital raising, but have unlimited liability for general partners, and dissolved easily. Corporations are more complex, offer limited liability, have formal management structures, face corporate taxes, enjoy perpetual existence, and raise capital more easily, but face greater regulatory scrutiny. The key difference lies in liability management structure and legal entity status. Key takeaways. Key difference. Partnerships are simpler but unlimited liability. Corporations are complex but provide limited liability. Taxation varies greatly. Legal counsel seek professional advice before deciding. This information is for educational purposes only and is not legal advice. Optimal structure. Best structure depends on your individual circumstances. There is no one size fits all solution.